Okay, this is a quick guide to show you where the blacksmithing one-time profession knowledge is in the War Within. So let's have a look. Should only take about, I don't know, 10-15 minutes. So you start at the top here in Dornagal. The first blacksmithing treasure is directly below the main spire, and it's just down here near these crystal balls, just on top of this square. Dornagal hammer is the first one. Alright, second one, we want to fly outside of the city to a little place called Boulder Springs, which is directly out of the main city. So straight ahead, dead ahead, you can sort of see there's the building, the big building here in the, this is kind of like a crafting area. Right in this building, right at the back, you'll see a second treasure, which is the ancient earthen anvil, just here. Alright. And the next treasure, or the next two treasures, are in the Ringing Deeps, and we want to get there via, there's a little shortcut. Instead of flying down the hole, you can fly down, you can use this elevator just sort of near Rambleshire, and that will take you directly down into the Ringing Deeps. So it's just here, as you can see. There you go. So you click this little elevator, and they'll teleport you down. So the next one is the earthen chisels, and I know where that is. It's just north of the mine entrance to Talok, the Talok mine entrance. So we fly, it's just sort of on the ground here. Yep, there it is. Just in front of this forge. Earthen chisels here. Righto, the next one is in the main city or township of the Ringing Deeps. I always think in my head it's the Ringing Depths, but it's Deeps. Alright, so this next one, it's pretty easy. It's right in the center of town. Just sort of right here in the middle, in between the trade area and the inn. Just here on the ground here. Ringing Hammer Vise. Righto. That's 4 down already. It's only been 3 minutes. So the next one, well, the next two are in Hallowfall. So you want to fly into Hallowfall through the corridor, I guess. It's pretty cool. This zone's probably the best, I reckon. And we want to go to a little place called Merildar, which is dead ahead. So I think up here, I forget the name of this place. Priory of the Sacred Flame, that's a dungeon. That's cool. Merildar is the township below. And we are after the Radiant Tongs. So let's try and boost it. Get there quicker, eh? A little bit of boost wouldn't hurt. So you can see this building here, this the large one here. That's where it is. It's under the inside this hut. Oh, sorry, this one to the left, the red hut. There it is. See the Radiant Tongs there on the bench? That's the next one, and that's the 5th one. So the 6th one in Hallowfall, because there's 2 per zone. Pretty sure it's the Holy Flame Forge, and it's right here. Oh, look at that. Just sitting on this table. Sort of southeast of Merodar in Baladar's Bounty, just here on the bench. So that's number 6. And then we want to sort of fly southwards into Azj-Kahet. Azj-Kahet. Everyone's favourite place. It's full of crabs. So the 7th one that I've managed to find is the Spiderling's Wire Brush. And that is located in this sort of near the Weaver's Lair, kind of the township there. And from where I can remember, it is somewhere. I'm pretty sure it's like right there. It's inside a town, like a building, and it's, according to my notes, is directly southwest of Weaver's Lair. So I think this is the building here. I'm pretty sure. Yep. All right, we got some action, boys. Prot Paladins are the go. I think I'm going to main Prot Pally when the War Within launches. Here's Spiderling's Wire Brush just here on the bench. Can't miss it. And then, the lucky last, I'm going to fly up, get out of... So you want to fly to the City of Threads, which is probably the coolest looking city in my opinion. Like, look at that. And there's actually a trade district called the Umbral Bazaar, which is where all the fun stuff is. And it's basically, I'm pretty sure this is a profession area, so it's at the mining and blacksmithing supplies. It's just here at the back here, Nerubian Smith Kit, just here. So, hope you liked that one. So that was the 8 treasures for blacksmithing in the War Within. If you like the video, there's 7 other guides on my channel going through the other treasures. And yeah, there you go. Thought it might be helpful to show everyone where to find them, because it's going to be a hot topic in a month or so, 2 months. Thanks for watching. Goldson, peacing out.